This user guide will show you how to change the name of a position on the Lumina Applicants Tracker. First, visit www.luminalearning.com in order to log into our system. Press the Login button in the top right-hand corner. Then use your Lumina account details to sign in to Lumina Online. Now navigate to Lumina's services on the left-hand menu. Then enter the Applicants Tracker area. You now have the Applicant Tracker dashboard in front of you. Select the position that you would like to change the name of. You will now see the Positions dashboard. To change the name of the position, navigate to the Position Settings tab. Click on the pencil icon. Once you have done this, you will be able to edit the name of the position. Thank you for listening to this user guide on changing the name of a position on the Lumina Applicants Tracker. We hope you found it helpful. Please feel free to contact support@luminalearning.com if you have any further queries.